Bantase hlalani phansi yabona esi stream seMadlanga Commission bantase sifuna umuntu okhawuleza athi ngqondo fika asifuna umuntu othatha kade asimfuni 12D bantase mamela into yenzekayo a few weeks ago kwiMadlanga Commission kufike umuntu ekuthiwa nguMr John Mr John yi-deputy director I think e-IPID KZN Sharpchomi wafika uMr John wathi kuthi into nokubana hey Mendi kukho ilentoza i-task team e-KZN erepotwa kuGeneral Mkhwanazi and le task team lena i-hit squad kuthiwa into nokubana uyababhatala ubathuma into nokubana hamba nokubasa umuntu othile yava kutsho Mr John bantasi ugqiba kwakhe wasithatha wasibeka kwi-case kaDevin Loftus right wabe esithi into nokubana yabona kule case kaDevin Loftus i-clear like i-clean nje into nokubana aba bantu bebethengiwe. So uDevin Loftus bantase is owner I think owner i-taxi owner i-tow trucks and also accused ngokuba i-drug dealer but also he was leading i-gang i-KZN right so i-rival yakhe was Mr Clive Naicker. Mr Clive Naicker was doing the very same thing so bobabini ke bebeklashana bantase into nokubana ya competition Sharpchomi so ke ngoku into ke ngoku ayithethayo uMr John uthi into nokubana lo unguClive Naicker wahayarisha uDina Govender ipolisa eli liyikhomanda yale task team into nokubana kubaswe lo yaqonda sharp yiyo into waza nayo uMr John leyo kwafika ke ngoku utata kaBevin Loftus uBevin Loftus ngulo niyamkhumbula mos sharp fika utata kaBevin Loftus wasixelela naye into nokubana yeye bebengcungcutheka kulanta la KZN ngalamapolisa ile hit squad uthi yes sasimendi ubusithi uthe sisabona uthi usithi kuthiwa vula uthi usithi ubanjwa ngechoke slam ngalamapolisa yabo but ke ngoku kuthiwa into yokugqibela eyade yabangela into nokubana yena utata kaBevin Loftus ahambe ayovula i-interdict into nokubana uBevin wayethreatenishwa into nokubana uzawubaswa yabona kukho i-rumors zento nokubana uNaicker ubhatele uDina Govender into nokubana i-2 million into nokubana abaselo yava sharp so lo ke ngoku nguBevin Loftus waconfronta uClive Naicker into nokubana ya wena ubhatele uDina Govender into nokubana andibase kwathini ndikujongile kwathini bayaxabana bahlala bexabana ke bantasi zinto zabo ezo Sharpchomi so ke ngoku bantase kuyo yonke lento ke ngoku utata kaBevin Loftus wavula interdict nge-31 esithi into nokubana umntana wakhe uzawubulawa and uzawubulawa ngamapolisa and lamapolisa alidishwa nguDina Govender nge-31 zikaMarch kanti nyani the next day nge-1 zikaApril umntana wakhe uzawubaswa and uzawubaswa ngamapolisa kaDina Govender yava yiyo ke ngoku i-accusation bantase esibeka apha okanye i-allegation esibeka kule ndawo sikuyo uDina Govender went to the Madlanga Commission on Friday yebo so ke ngoku bantase umbuzo uthi kwenzekeni ngalamini inkulu into nokubana kwenzekeni wena namapolisa wakho uthi ke na ke nikhumbule ke bantase into nokubana uDina Govender is one of the police officers that were there kulanto kaNangi niyakhumbula into nokubana uGeneral Mkhwanazi waye-accused into nokubana yena namapolisa wakhe bahamba bayotorturisha uNangi kwathini Dina Govender was one of the police officers that had to answer kuyo yonke la situation Sharpchomi so ke ngoku uDina Govender ufika uthi into nokubana no bona bafumana i-tip off ezamapolisa into nokubana hey kukho umuntu osendaweni ethile kwathini owenza into ezingaqondakaliyo into ezidibene nobugang ziyobisi and all of that khawulezani niye pha because by anti-gang unit nyani uthi azange siphoze semaseko sayotshona pha kule suspect uthi xa befika nyani kwi-suspect hayi bambamba red-handed bantase bambamba red-handed esazipakisha le ithiwa esayithi niyaqonda esayenza izitena wabanjwa kwathiwa ngena mntase bongweni for wena wabesithi ke naye no ningabambi mina kwathini hayi hey ndizawuface i-25 years ejele kwathini hayi if ndiya cooperate mos at least sentence yami izawuba reduced kwathini no ndifuna unixelela into nokubana ngoBevin yava wabanika i-tip off wathi into nokubana uBevin nobruru bakhe niyamkhumbula uBevin nobruru bakhe bantase baplana into nokubana babulale umuntu yaqonda gquba kwakhe lo mfo isuspect le yakhupha i-address into nokubana kuse-Morningside ku-flat number what iplane lo apho lento sharp chomi ngeli xesha ke bantase niyakhumbula already uBevan Loftus knows into nokubana uDina Govender ubhataliwe into nokubana ayombulala, so they are hiding pha eMorningside kula flat ayondawo bahlala kuyo ba in hiding. Sharp chomi uDina Govender wafonela ubhururu bakhe into yokubana yeyi wena uphi masambeni kuthiwa naku uBevan eMorningside masileqiseni. Kwahanjwa abantase waleqiswa eMorningside. So kule moto kaDina Govender nguDina Govender nguNaidu bhururu wakhe wesipolisa ne-suspect yaqonda. So bathi ke ngokubona into yokubana abazohamba baye phezulu because bazawugada le suspect apha ezantsi because le nto ilena is happening ku-6th floor yaqonda, but hayi sawugada i-suspect thina apha ezantsi. Kuhanjwe ke ngoku zinyuke ke iinqoqonqoqo ze-task team zikhokhelwa ngumuntu okuthiwa nguRodriguez. Yava kuthiwa uRodriguez bantaseyikati kuthiwa akasosibindi ingonyama. Kuthiwa if ever bantase kuthiwa into nokubana kukho ishoot at ehectic kungena uRodriguez kuqala because uyaziwa kuthiwa and ukubasa angabi nalo nesizi uRodriguez lethi ekubona into nokubana uyancwina okugqibela umphefumulo uyaphuma athi okugqibela ufuna ukubona uthe ngcwe akafuni kwancwina uRodriguez. Sharp Rodriguez ayikhokhela i-team yakhe bantase kuyiwe phezulu. Xa kufikwa phezulu uthi yena uDina Govender wavele wava nje ngowabasa kubantase imipu phezulu. Uthi wayengekho pha phezulu and ke ngoku uyazikhupha kwinto eyenzeka pha phezulu. Uthi yena wayengekho akayazi into nokubana kwakwenzeka ntoni phezulu, but into ayaziyo yena into nokubana lo mfo babehamba naye ususpect uthe into nokubana kukho kuplenwa ubulala umuntu phezulu. So ke ngoku iMadlanga Commission ithi hayi chomi awukwazi uzikhupha kaloku nani phanonke, so awukwazi uthi into nokubana umuntu owayelidisha yayinguDina Rodriguez ukhona uyikommander kaDina Rodriguez. You were the commander, so you were the one responsible for yonke lanto yayisenzeka pha yaba hayi fine bantasi. On a different crime scene ke ngoku kucaba kukwenziwa i-speed chase between suspects namapolisa kwathini. Tell me why uDina Rodriguez at elipolisa athathe imoto kaNaika aleqise ngayo kuleqo suspects yabo. So ke ngoku into ezama upeyintwa apha into nokubana uDina Rodriguez vele yena noNaika bangobhururu from Fantuka yaqonda bantasi. Sharp chomi. After yonke ke ngoku lonto bantase kwafumaniseka uba obviously uGovender funeka ayophendula kuMadlanga Commission. Tell me why ke ngoku uMinister of Directives ethumela amaroto wakhe into nokubana mawacontacte uDina Govender amxelele into nokubana we are with him. Xele into nokubana sinawe mntase, and if wena uyafika kuMadlanga Commission uthi into nokubana wathunywa ngumkhwanazi sizawuvana kakhulu. Yaba kutsho umchunu uMinister of Directives bantase kanti wayelotate nje because uthi Dina Rodriguez yena uthethile naye uMinister, but ifone was not on loudspeaker even though he was recording the call, but ifone was not on loudspeaker mainly because if ebeyifaka ku-loudspeaker it was going to be suspicious yaqonda. But ke sinaloo nto isecaleni yenzekayo kuyo yonke le nto. So sinento zintathu apha. Sinento yobana wena wasebenzisa imoto kaNaika uhamba uleqa suspect uthi ke nake no i-relationship yakhe noNaika uzayi-explainer behind closed doors yabo. Kuthiwa ke ngoku mntase wena xa uya phaa ku-6th floor kuyobaswa uBevan bekuthiwa uBevan uzawubulala abanye uthi andiyazi, bekuthiwa uzambulala ngeyiphi date uthi andiyazi, kodwa hayi sizawudilishana nayo nge-cross examination because what do you mean awuyazi? What do you mean into yobana wena uchase into ongayaziyo uyageza wena? But kodwa cross examination sizoyidiscussa leyo. Then ke ngoku utata usenza umchunu yena uphinde walahlelwa under the bus. So I'm not sure into nokubana uDina Govender lo manta sendinayo into ethi he's playing both sides, meaning that he's playing for the good guys and the bad guys. but ke bayithathe phi inamba yakhe zibe kanti bayam-approacha and bazi njani into nokubana it's safe into nokubana bam-approache. Ndinayo into ethi is playing both sides, but sizawuyazi nge-cross examination nina nicinga.
Hey, Buta, sorry man, I'm in provincial office for the meeting.
Fine, how are you?
Hey, I was tired, but I finished up late last night, 1 o'clock, 1:30 in the morning. I came back early morning to work this morning.
So you're going tomorrow, right?
I'm not too sure what's going on. I think maybe tomorrow, maybe Friday.
Oh, okay. You are not alone. You are together, Kenel.
Hey, I'm worried, Baba. I'm telling you.
Your problem is my problems. The good news is we know what we're doing. And our province is safe because of you. You're putting your life on the line. Yes, somewhere, somehow, but we know actually the good job we've done for this province.
But Baba, these guys are going to keep attacking me. How are we going to fix this problem? They keep attacking me for what? How are we
They want you to expose big people.
Yeah, but what can I say? Well, I mean, why are they doing that?
They say they say you're not doing this alone. There's instruction. As you wake up early in the morning, there's people you report to.
Yeah, but like, I don't know who are reporting. That's the problem. I keep asking you that over and over. They got the wrong perception.
Yes, maybe we report to Sinona or to PC. So I think if you report to Sinona report to PC. So both of them, there must be account. So you become a state witness.
Hey, Baba. My head is spinning, Baba. My head is spinning.
No, this thing is...
But why the after the big man PC so much like that? That man is doing his graft. Why they hate him so much? Ngonazi.
They don't like him because he's always honest, same as like you.
Yes.
Yeah, so they want you to put him under the bus, and also Sinona.
Yes.
Yeah.
But that man is no more here now. He's gone now. He bought his discharge. He's gone. He's sitting somewhere in a farm, in a slutty Indian farm.
Yeah, but you must account. You must account. So I don't know. But what is in your mind? Because you can't fight this battle alone, Kenel.
Papa, I only had 2 hours sleep this morning. 2 hours sleep.
Sorry?
I only had 2 hours sleep this morning because I'm preparing, for all lies. The allegations against me is frivolous and lies. I'm preparing from last night. 2 hours sleep I had. I didn't have nothing to eat.
Ish. So do you think you're gonna win?
Yeah, but it's hyper guys should all work in one syndicate. You can see what they're doing to me. They're going there and lying. If you had an allegation, why didn't you call me and ask me? But you're calling me for other matters. Why do you go and go and the whole world is watching, go and put my bank statements up? For what reason? Why didn't you call me first and ask me whether you're going to account for it? Or, whatever the case may be. But you liaise with me every other day for different matters.
No, it's jealous. It's jealous, and also I can see there's something behind this.
Yeah, but who's behind these guys in the Apperton? Who?
I think it's also McBride.
I told you the other day, Baba. I told you.
Yeah,
I told you.
Yeah, it's McBride and also but it's gonna be tough.
But McBride is not working alone. McBride's not working alone.
They say, there are a lot of people there. They say 172 tokens, it was stage played.
Hey, I don't know where they got that figure from.
No, I think he's got that thing. They say they got that proof.
Yeah, but if you got the proof, then why don't come arrest me? Why is going and putting it in the national television? You're going to the commission and you're going then. How? These are old matters, Baba. It's not new matters.
Yeah, it's old matters. The old matters. Yeah.
Baba, who else beside McGrath, Baba?
I think there's some other drug dealing politicians as well.
Yeah, but if you tell me, at least I'll be able to figure it out. My head is not right now. I'll be able to figure it out.
I don't know when I'm going to see you. Can I see you tomorrow morning?
Yeah, I can see you tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning is Thursday.
Come and see tomorrow morning, yeah.
Yeah, come in the morning. We'll have a breakfast there.
Thank you, Kenneth.
Right, bye.
You're not alone. Bye.
Thanks, bye.
Thank you. Kennel, I think you've made the point.
The old stuff. Mr. Clive himself. How are you? Laka, lot of money, 2.5 on my head now, eh?
Who is here? Who is here? Evan, you.
Yeah, how you can
kill
phone
my
Dane?
uncle.
How you can phone Dane to tell Dane to set me up?
I phone Dane. I don't even
Yeah,
fucking
me,
know
I
who
never
Dane is.
ever fought with you. I got no problem with you, but look like you after me. You paying dinner, governor, you paying all the carols. You went past to do all these things to me. I never had nothing to do with you. I never minded your business. I got no flop with you. But Bali, you went out of your way to do all these things to me. You wanna kill me and all. What kind, Bali? Where's the numbers?
Are you making allegations against me, or are you telling me the facts?
I'm asking you, where's the numbers, Bali? I
Let's
never do
start
fuck
off
all
now.
to
Let's
you.
start off.
Check your word, I'm
Firstly,
fuck all to
you were
you.
telling the people I killed Regan.
See our
Right?
Bali. See our checker. No flop. You wanna kill me, right? No flop. The fastest lives the longest. Right? Laka.
Was it?
Thank you, Commissioners. I think, I'm not sure whether it was audible enough for your purposes.
Yeah.
In any event, the transcript is
Yes.
at page 113, just to contextualize things. Now, this is the recording. Is this the recording that you were referring to earlier?
That's correct. That's